I went to Five Guys the other day because I like Five Guys. I like a lot of burger joints that make a nice double cheeseburger. I like double cheeseburgers. But did you know you can make the same burger at home twice as big and twice as good? I mean, look at that. This is the One Crank Double. Better than Five Guys. I'm Rich Crankshaw, and you are cooking with Crank. This video was done on the fly. I'm heading to Florida to visit my son and my sister. I'm leaving a day after I make this video, June 23rd, and I have been scrambling to get everything done, including this video. I'm not gonna trash America's favorite burger joints. I love them all. But come on, man. We could do so much better. When I order a burger at Five Guys, I order a bacon double with raw onion and raw jalapeno peppers, and of course lettuce and tomato with mustard. As you can see here, I have a slice of raw Spanish onion, a couple slices jalapeno, 2 slices tomato, and some nice crispy bacon, and good old-fashioned cheddar cheese, and the lettuce is iceberg. I prefer romaine or baby spinach, but iceberg is nice and crispy, and this is pretty much the standard in most burger joints. And of course, a nice, fresh hard roll that I will definitely toast. On camera, this may look like 2 beef patties. Okay, it is 2 beef patties, 80-20 beef, 1 pound, and I used the whole package, so yeah, ½ pound per patty, pal. And while mustard is my preferred condiment, bacon and cheddar must always be accompanied with ranch dressing. In my hungry opinion, of course. What are we waiting for? Okay, I've got the grill heated, so I'll oil it, and please feel free to criticize my camera work. Being in such a hurry, I didn't exactly set up the gear properly. I'm using the GoPro in one hand and my culinary skills in the other. Let's put those burgers on the grill already. I season my burgers with salt and pepper and a little garlic powder. That's it. I want to taste the burger, not steak seasoning. I mean, I'm not against it, and I will certainly eat it any way you want to prepare it. Close the top of the grill and let the first side cook for a few minutes. When toasting a bun, you can do this any way you want. I personally don't use butter, and I try not to put it directly on the main grates of the grill if I can help it. The buns will toast just fine on the warming rack. You can toast them lighter or darker, it's up to you. So now, flip those patties. Oh, and enjoy my son having a conversation with himself in the background while I had him on speakerphone while I was cooking and shooting. I'm such a multitasker. After a minute or two on the second side, I'll put the onions on one burger and the jalapenos on another burger, and then the cheese. So the raw onions and jalapeno will go between the beef and cheese. It's less likely to spew out when you chomp on it. Once you put the cheese on the burger, close the lid to let the cheese melt, and it is time to assemble. And I will attempt to do this with one hand while holding the camera with the other. When I build the One Crank Double, I put lettuce on the bun first. And we all know why, right? This helps to prevent the bun from getting soggy too quickly. Next, put the first patty on top of the lettuce, followed by the bacon, and a nice dollop of ranch dressing. Can I get an oh yeah? No? Nothing? Okay, next, place that second patty on top of the bacon. But do it with 2 hands. I had to put the camera down, fix the burger, and then go back to double duty for this double cheeseburger. Okay, almost done. Top it off with another dollop of ranch dressing. Might as well put those tomatoes on there. And some more lettuce. And of course, the top part of the bun. Now that is one heck of a burger, folks. My very own One Crank Double. It's better than Five Guys. Thank you very much. I know what you're thinking. How are we supposed to eat something like this? Well, it can be done, see? It takes time and some skills and a little luck. But if you build it well, it won't be too sloppy. But it's still sloppy. And who wants a big old burger like this that isn't sloppy? Oh, and by the way, don't call this a minced meat sandwich. This is America. It's a burger, baby. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me today and trying the one crank double that is better than Five Guys. I'm Rich Crankshaw. You are cooking with Crank.